Hi, my friends. Welcome to week 7, the penultimate week of the term, next to the last week. And it is, as I say here, the culmination of the term, because this is the week when I am expecting your final research paper. I always have the final research paper due the week before the last week of classes. I don't like reading big projects the last week of classes. And you always thank me afterwards. Anyway, everybody else has things due week 8. I try to have just small things due. Anyway, you've got your final research paper due. It is due on Friday. No late papers. We are at the point of the term when I've got my deadlines staring me in the face with final grades. I cannot have late papers. Obviously, let me know if something emergency happens. I'll do my best. But at this point in the term, there are only 24 hours in the day. You know that full well. And I can't promise I can get to things if they're not turned in on time. Then look what's due on Sunday, a multimodal assignment. The title of this course is Argumentative Writing, Research Writing, and Multimodal Composition. We live in an age now in which text is simply not enough. We feel the need to do emojis, memes, illustrations, graphs, all sorts of things. What I'm asking you to do after you've turned in your paper on Friday, I want you to spend the weekend. Think about it beforehand for sure. But another couple of days, I'd like you to translate your thesis into another form. You've written an argumentative paper. You've written your opinion. Put it in a letter to the editor. Draw a cartoon about it. Do a video. Create a PowerPoint, a Prezi presentation. Anyway, that's due on Sunday. And 2, it cannot be late. So have fun this week. You'll be relieved when it's over, I promise.